Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this session on strategic sourcing. And I'm going to be your facilitator today. To give you a quick introduction of myself, my name is Nitin. I'm the CEO of Middle-earth. I have a MBA in HR and Marketing qualification from IIM Calcutta and a BE in Computer Science from IIT Roorkee. I've been a visiting faculty in several prestigious institutes like Indian School of Business, IIM Calcutta, University of Jakarta, and I've won several awards. But enough about me, let's get into today's session. Today's session is on strategic sourcing. Now, in recruitment, if you look at it, sourcing is the first step after you determine the requirement. That means once you know what you want, you start looking at how to strategically get those people at the right cost, at the right price. Now, why is sourcing so important? Obviously, if you source perfectly, you'll have the right pipeline of people. You'll get different sets of people suitable for your requirement, and therefore you'll waste very little time during the recruitment process.